Hi guys, I'm going to show you activities we have for this week. You're going to get directions as always, and then your book this week is Brown Bear, and it is one of the stories that is interactive. So in the back, you will find the pieces to match. And this is one of their favorites that you can read over and over again. Kids can start telling you the names of the colors, the names of the animals, and then some of them will even, the more you read it, almost verbatim be able to read it back to you. So this is a good resource to have that you can use again and again. I'm going to send home some activity directions from the speech therapist. One of the activities I'm sending is a color sorting activity. You will have these colors of construction paper in your packet as well, and there's varying degrees of difficulty you can do this. So if your kids aren't ready to do all 4 colors, you can start even just with 1 color, and they're literally just matching red toys you've already put in the basket, or a bunch of different toys and they have to find the red ones and just putting red on. And then the more colors you add, the more difficult. You can have them go search in your house for the toys instead of having them already in the basket, and then you could show them the red construction paper and say, go find me a red toy that looks like this. That would be a little more difficult. And then your most difficult would be to just verbally tell them to go find colored toys to match these, and it's kind of an independent thing where they go and find toys these 4 colors, match them, and then they're able to tell you the colors. So lots of different ways you can do that and have fun with it, and also enhance those language skills. And then I'm going to be sending home a couple different fine motor things that you can use in different ways. So the first one is I will be sending home a couple or quite a few pipe cleaners, and I show here on the front is a really simple fine motor activity you can do with supplies you most likely have at home, a colander or strainer, whatever you might call it, and they can just work on having that hand-eye coordination to stick the pipe cleaners in the holes. Another thing is I will be sending home cut up straws in here. So these are essentially beads, so they can string those on the pipe cleaner as well. And then finally I'm sending home, there's 2 pieces of string in here. Let me pull it out to show you. So what we usually do in the classroom when we're stringing things, anything beads, cereal, we tape one end. So this is the end that they will put through the straw. It just makes it easier for them. It doesn't fray then. So that's the end they'll put through the straw and pull it through. And then a lot of times what we do at school too is the other end, I tape it down to the table. So that way the straws or beads or whatever you're using doesn't slide off the other end. So if you have tape at home, I tape it down to the table so those can't slide off. It makes it a lot easier for them. If you have beads and want to do stringing with those as well, that's a really great fine motor skill. They have beads at like the Dollar Tree. And then another cheap option is to do cereal, Fruit Loops or Cheerios. So those are your activities this week. Only a couple more weeks left of school, even though it hasn't been our traditional way of coming to school. I hope you guys are enjoying the activities. I'm slowly sending home your kiddos extra clothing if they have it at school, so make sure you grab that with their packet, and always let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, bye.